up guys, Rick with Rally Sport Direct here. In front of me I have the Rexpeed WRC inspired rear window vents. Now these come in a beautiful carbon fiber like this or just a pure black, whatever you prefer. But we are going to be installing these wonderful carbon fiber vents. Now these are definitely a show type piece. Now the best thing about these is how easy they are to install and remove. You can put these in and take them out in less than a minute. So I know all you guys are out there like, oh, well, what are you gonna do when it rains? Well, you simply take them out. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that right now. First thing you're gonna wanna do is make sure you have it in the proper orientation, because you can install it backwards, but you can see the line along the window top is not gonna be correct. So literally just slide it in, put it towards the bottom there, make sure everything's lined up, and then you're gonna wanna kind of give it a nice little hit up in there, and then make sure it's nice and sturdy. The reason you have to do that is because once you roll down your window, you don't want this falling out, so you want to make sure it's nice and tight in there, and then roll up the window and make sure everything fits correctly. And that's it. You've successfully installed your Rexpeed rear window vents. Taking it out is honestly just as easy. So whether you're going to a show, out to the track, or just cruising the streets, it's super easy to install, looks amazing, and all around is a phenomenal product. Check it out. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.